Are you ready for today's physical challenge? In today's challenge, you're going to need a stick. And the aim of today's challenge is to launch the stick from behind your back and then grip it with your left hand before it touches the floor. And you're only allowed to move one leg while doing it. Let's take a closer look at the challenge in slow motion. Now, please pay attention to the change of grip I do while pulling the stick backwards before I put it behind my back. That is very important if you're going to launch the stick from behind your back. Now, after a few attempts of this, if you get the hang of it, you can have a look at the difficult level 2. So on level 2, after you launch the stick, you have to grip it with your right hand. And then you have to flip it halfway around and do a jump in the air, and when you come down with the stick, you tap the floor. And this is quite difficult, so good luck and have fun.